Dinner recipes at home. 1. Baked chicken parmesan. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup breadcrumbs, cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg beaten, 1 cup marinara sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 375 F190C. 2. In a shallow dish, mix together breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. 3. Dip each chicken breast into the beaten egg, then coat with the breadcrumb mixture. 4. Place the chicken breasts in a baking dish and bake for 25 minutes. 5. Remove from oven and top each chicken breast with marinara sauce and mozzarella cheese. 6. Return to oven and bake for an additional 10 minutes, or until cheese is melted and chicken is cooked through. 7. Serve with pasta or a side of vegetables. 2. Beef stir fry. Ingredients: 1 lb beef, thinly sliced, 2 tsp vegetable oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup mushrooms sliced, cup soy sauce, 2 tsp honey, 2 tsp cornstarch, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, honey, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. 2. In a wok or large skillet, heat vegetable oil over high heat. 3. Add beef and stir fry until browned. Remove from wok and set aside. 4. In the same wok, add onion, garlic, and red bell pepper. Stir fry for 2 minutes. 5. Add broccoli and mushrooms and continue to stir fry for another 2 minutes. 6. Return beef to the wok and pour in the soy sauce mixture. 7. Stir fry for an additional 2-3 minutes until sauce thickens and vegetables are tender. 8. Serve over rice or noodles. 3. Baked salmon with lemon and herbs. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 2 tsp olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 tsp fresh herbs such as thyme, rosemary, or dill, 1 lemon sliced, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 375 F190C. 2. In a small bowl, mix together olive oil, garlic, herbs, salt, and pepper. 3. Place salmon fillets on a baking dish and brush with the herb mixture. 4. Top each fillet with a slice of lemon. 5. Bake for 15-20 minutes, or until salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. 6. Serve with a side of roasted vegetables or a salad. 4. Veggie fried rice. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked rice, 2 tsp vegetable oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup mixed vegetables such as carrots, peas, and corn, 2 eggs beaten, 2 tsp soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a wok or large skillet, heat vegetable oil over high heat. 2. Add onion and garlic and stir fry for 2 minutes. 3. Add mixed vegetables and continue to stir fry for 2-3 minutes. 4. Push the vegetables to one side of the wok and pour beaten eggs into the other side. Scramble the eggs until cooked. 5. Add rice to the wok and mix with the vegetables and eggs. 6. Pour in soy sauce and season with salt and pepper. 7. Stir fry for another 2-3 minutes until everything is well combined and heated through. 8. Serve as a main dish or as a side with your